Hey y'all, it's Andrea Allure, and if it's your first time, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl, or boy, hey y'all. So today I'm coming to y'all with a locks tutorial again, because y'all know I love my locks. So right here I'm just showing you my braid pattern. I have box braids in the front and it's just free part in the back, because ain't nobody got time to be trying to be perfect in the back. I ordered my locks off of Amazon, so that was what I was just showing you, the packaging of the locks. They are 8-inch locks, and it came with 6 packs of locks, a crochet needle, 2 clips, and like a few hair accessories that I actually didn't use because I didn't think they were like too cute. But if you like them, rock out, girl or boy. So right here, I braided my hair off camera because it would take entirely too long to show y'all, but it's just a basic like plait down. So if you know how to braid, that should be easy for you. And I was just showing you where they were going to fall once I put them in, even though if you guys seen my other video, if you haven't, I'm going to link it below, of course. But I like to attach my locks a little further down my braid so it's not like lumpy at the base. And you're going to see that right here once I do attach it. But the locks will fall, if you do the installation how I do mine, the locks will fall a little longer than 10 inches because I'm giving like an inch and a half of oh, I'm sorry, I said 10 inches. I meant 8 inches because I'm giving a little extra length when I attach the actual lock onto my hair. So they really came out to probably be around like 10 to 12 inches, honestly. But they're also really like kind of springy, stretchy. So when you wrap your hair around, like once you attach and wrap your hair around, it's going to be way more than 8 inches. And like I said, I have another lock video on my page that's more in depth. So if you guys really want to know the nitty and gritty of how I do my locks and attach them and wrap the hair, you can go to that video and check it out, and I like speak all throughout that video on it. But right here I'm just going to show you guys. I'm not really going to talk about what I'm doing since I already have a video on that. But the hair I am using is the Outre Expressions Twisted Up Afro Springy Twist hair, and I am using the 16-inch pack just because my natural hair isn't super long, so I don't have to wrap the wrapping hair too much around my hair since it's on the shorter side. But if you have long hair, don't get the 16-inch because you won't have enough. Well, you can use multiple pieces, but you won't have enough to just use one piece and wrap it all the way down your lock. And I usually like to start in the back, but for recording purposes, I started in the front to show y'all exactly, how I do it. And that right there is my first lock. I'm just showing y'all how seamless it is. It's very natural looking, natural thickness. I do like my locks to be not super full, just because my hair isn't very full. So when I do put too many locks in my hair, it gets really heavy and it really strains on my natural hair. So I like to probably do, I think I used a little over 3 packs, if not exactly 3 packs of the locks for this install. And I think it came with like 22, I think it was 22 locks in a bundle, but I'm not completely sure. I'll leave all the specs in the description box though, but I didn't put a whole bunch of locks in my hair. But if you like a fuller 6 packs, like if you order from where I ordered from off of Amazon, 6 packs will definitely be enough, because I only used half the amount. Like I can do a whole nother install with the rest of the hair that I have. And those are the first 2 locks that I have, looking super duper cute. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and come back, and I'm already back. But right here, I'm showing you the last 3 that I have left to wrap around. And as you can see, this is a different day because I had things to do. So I couldn't finish everything in one day installing my locks. So I was walking around with like a head wrap for like 2 days. So it took me about 3 days to finish everything. Not because it takes a long time, but just because I was too busy and I couldn't get to finishing my hair. But altogether, hour-wise, including braiding my hair down, I would say it probably took maybe like 6 hours tops. So I feel like that's a pretty good time for you to do it yourself. And this is the last lock. That's why I was so excited, because like I said, it didn't take super long, but I just wanted my hair to be done. So this is me wrapping the hair around the very last one, and then you will see me take all my hair down. I already kind of got my edges fleeky, minimal fleeky, but fleeky. So you will see me take everything down, and you'll see how it looks all together. It's so cute. I really do love them. I love locks in general, but I never had like short locks. Every time I do locks, they're always really long. So this was the first time I ever had short locks, and this was the first time I ever did it with this density. So I actually really do like them. I kind of wish that I made it just a little teeny bit fuller, but this is fine for now, just because I don't plan on having them in for a super long time or anything. So I'll be able to stick it out. But right here, I'm just using some Locs to seal in my wrapped hair, seal the wrapped hair into my locks. I don't dip my locks in hot water or anything like that. I just use the setting foam to set them, and I never have a problem with them unraveling or anything like that. So you guys should be fine. You don't have to use a lot of body. You can use whatever setting foam you want to use, but just make sure you use setting foam so it holds everything together. And this is pretty much my final look. The first day I wore it like in a ponytail, but it looks really cute down. It looks cute up. You can style it. It's not heavy at all, which I love the most. Like, it literally feels like it's nothing in my hair. So if you guys give this style a try, let me know how it turns out. Like I said, I will leave everything that I used in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, what you waiting for? Subscribe, like, you know you want to. And make sure you like this video. Leave a little comment for me below. I always reply. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.